Yeah.
Okay, sure.
Great. Please.
Hello, everyone. Welcome to our live session of storytelling of Open Wonder Learn. I welcome you all. I know some of you are waiting, so I'm happy that finally we have gone on live and we are here. So before we start the session, I just wanted to let you know that I will also require one white paper and crayons for an activity which you are going to do later. So you don't have to rush after that. You can get it and keep it besides your child right now. Yes. So let me start with our story. I hope you all are excited as even I am so much excited to share this nice, beautiful story with you. Well, hi kids. I am Mugda Fadke and I am here to tell you a story today. A story about a parrot. Do you like birds? Do you like parrot? Isn't it cute? Yes. So this story is about a parrot, a bird in a golden cage. So this bird is in a golden cage. You know, there was this merchant in Persia, and this merchant in Persia was gifted with a bird. What was the bird? It was a parrot. His friend gifted him a parrot, a beautiful parrot in a golden cage. And he told him, friend, you can feed him chilies, guava, and when you feed him such nice things, you know what? He sings beautiful songs for you. So the merchant was very happy and he used to feed the bird, the parrot, chilies and guava every day, and the parrot used to sing for him. One day, the merchant was about to go on a trip to India, and he went and he asked his wife, my dear wife, I'm going to India. What should I buy as a gift to you? The wife says, can you please buy me a beautiful silk sari? I love sari, and in India you get beautiful silk. So can you please bring a sari? He says, okay, my dear, I will bring you a sari. Then he goes to his daughter. Daughter, my dear princess, what do you want as a gift? I'm going to India. So the daughter says, Papa, can you please get me a nice wooden toy? I would like to pull the toy and play with it every day. Can you please bring me a toy? And the merchant said, yes, beta, I'll bring you a nice wooden toy for you. Then he went to India. He did all his work. He did shopping for his wife, daughter. And you know what? Before going to the trip, he had asked his friend, the parrot, that what do you want? And the parrot said, can you please, if you meet my friends in India, can you please give them a message? The merchant says, what message? The parrot says, I will. You want? The parrot says that if you see my friends, please tell them I'm happy and I live freely in this cage and I live in a big house and I get yummy food to eat as well. And I live in this cage. So the merchant said, okay, if I meet your friends, I will go and tell them that. So after all his shopping was done in India, the merchant remembered, oh yes, I have to meet the parrot's friends as well. So he goes to a garden. In the garden, he sees so many parrots. They were sitting on a tree and some were flying in the sky. The merchant told the parrot, Parrot, I have a message from one of your friends. Can you please come here? I want to talk to you. So one of the parrot flies away and he comes near the merchant. He comes. The merchant tells him, you know what? I have a message from your friend, one of your sisters. She was trapped in India and now she lives freely in my big house in Persia. The parrot said, but is she safe? Is she happy? The person says, yes, she is very happy. In fact, I feed her yummy food. I give her guavas, chilies to eat. And it's a very yummy, yummy food that I give. And she's so happy in the cage. And also, she sings beautiful songs for me. The parrot, listening to that, he started shivering. And he suddenly fell down and he died. Oh no, the merchant was in a shock. What happened to this parrot? Why did he fall down? Oh no, what have I done? He was very sad and he went away. He went back to Persia. When he returned home, he knocked on the door. And his wife and daughter opened the door for him to see the merchant. They were so happy. The daughter told him, Papa, did you get me a toy? He said, yes, beta, I've got a nice toy for you. And he also told his wife, here is a beautiful sari. I've got the sari as a gift for you as well. Then, after that, he went to the parrot, his friend, which he had kept in a nice, beautiful cage. The parrot asked him, did you give my message to my friends in India? Did you meet anybody? The merchant was very sad. He told him, yes, I met few of your friends. I even called one and gave him your message. But I am so sorry to let you know that he died. The parrot said, what happened? How did he die? He said, I just gave him your message. But when I gave him your message, he started shivering and he fell down and he died. I am so sorry, my dear friend. Listening to that, the parrot in the cage also started shivering. He also started shivering and he also fell down in the cage. And he also died. The merchant was very sad. The merchant was shocked. Oh no, what has happened? First, the parrot in India fell down. Now, my beautiful friend has fell down over here. What is happening? I don't understand. What happened? So he picked up the parrot in the cage. He brought the parrot out and he went in the garden. In the garden, he was digging the ground. He wanted to bury the parrot. And just about when he was right to bury the parrot, you know what happened? The parrot started flying and he just flew away. The merchant was shocked and also happy to see his friend alive. The merchant called him, my dear friend, what happened? Why did you die and how are you alive now? The parrot said, I don't want to live in a cage. Living freely in the sky is what I want to do. I want to live freely. I don't want to be trapped in a cage. The merchant said, my dear friend, I'm happy to see you alive, but I never knew that you were sad in this cage. I thought you were happy with me. He said, no, I was not happy. I don't want to stay in the cage. I want to be freely. And the parrot, the one in India, who you thought died, didn't actually die. He was actually sending me a message that this is how you escape from the cage. So he gave me an idea. He was my smart friend. The merchant was happy to know that and he said, go, fly away, my dear friend parrot. Live happily. Fill this world with the beautiful songs that you sing. Let everybody hear your voice as well. Go. So the parrot was happy. He said goodbye to his merchant friend and he flew away. He was a happy, free parrot. So kids, did you like this story? And what did you learn from that? You know what? Birds or animals, they don't like being trapped in a cage or behind bars. They don't like that. They don't like being closed in the zoo. They want to also roam freely. Just tell me, if you if your mama and papa, if they keep you in one room and lock you inside the room, close the door and keep you in the room, will you like it? No, 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 no. You won't like it, right? Similarly, the parrot, he couldn't fly in the cage. He couldn't roam around. He didn't like being trapped in the cage. He wanted to be a free bird and fly freely and live freely with his friends. Like the ones who were in India, they were flying in the garden. Similarly, he wanted to be free. So, you should not trap animals like this, and you should help them, care for them, and set them free, and also love them. Okay, so I'm so happy that you all are here to watch me and listen to this beautiful story. And now, like I had mentioned earlier, I also have a nice interesting activity for you kids today. You remember in the story, I had showed you some beautiful parrots who were sitting on the tree. You remember this? The merchant. So today, I want you to draw. I'm going to teach you how to draw this. It's super easy. And I know you can draw it within 2 minutes. Okay? And you know how? I just want you guys to get a paper and few crayons. Okay? I have a set of paper and crayons ready with me. And this parrots, you have to draw using letter 2. You know, you have to draw 4 twos. Okay, here, let me show you. So I am going to draw and you're going to follow me with the same steps. So it's a step-by-step drawing that I want you guys to do. Okay, so those are parrots, and parrots are green in color. Can you guys take a green crayon? Okay, and I want you to draw 4 twos. I will show you first and then you can draw. Okay, so I want you to draw 4 twos. 1, can you see? These are the 4 twos. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. I have drawn 4 twos. Now what do I have to do? Come on, quickly, you also draw 4 twos like this. I know all you bachus are smart, and I know your parents will also help you. So you can draw this. Okay, so you can draw 4 twos. 1, 2, 3, 4. And now I want you to draw a small semicircle like this here. I will show you. Okay. So from these 4 twos, from the first 2 twos, you have to draw a small semicircle and then a big semicircle. Can you do that? Okay, when you are done with this, I want you to draw 2 eyes, one over here and one over here. Let me show you. See, like this. So this is one over here and another one over here. So first 4 twos, then a small circle, a semicircle, a bigger semicircle, and now the 2 eyes. And then you have to join these lines like this. Here, I've connected all the bottom lines of number 2. So making it one straight line. And now this is going to be the branch, the tree. So make another sleeping line below it. Okay. I want you to make one more sleeping line below it. One more sleeping line. So this is the branch. Okay. This is the branch where the two parrots are sitting. And now, can you see this curve? I want you to close it. I want you to close it and make the wings of the parrot. So like this and like this. So these are the two wings. I have closed them. Can you see the two numbers over here? I have closed both of them. Now I'm going to draw beaks. So take a red crayon and draw two beaks. I will show you how to draw beaks. Now I have got my red crayon and I'm going to draw red beaks. See, can you see? My parrot has nice red beaks. The beaks are red. Don't you know? The beaks are red. Okay, now we are going to just draw a small two triangles over here to finish the wing. Okay, with the green color crayon, I am going to draw two small. Okay, see the wing from that branch, it's gone down under, and there are two small little triangles like this, which make the wing. And now I want you to make a tail. One big tail like this, and one big tail over here.
Mugdha, we are getting very nice comments. There is Nisha, there is Ashish, there is Samir, who are all enjoying these stories, and they have given you very nice compliments for this story.
Thanks a lot, guys. I'm so happy that you've loved the story, and now your kids are also enjoying this activity. I'm so happy that you joined today for this session with us. Okay, so this is the tail part that I've joined. I have just drawn a small W-like pattern, which makes a tail, a W-like pattern over here, a W-like pattern over here. So these are the two parrots sitting on the branch. What are we missing? We are missing the legs, right? So I just want you to draw. I want you to draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 4 small standing lines on this branch to make it as your legs. Okay. So I want you to draw this, two sets for one parrot and two sets for the other one. And
Sumedha and Swati have also written very nice story, Mugdha.
thank you everyone for your beautiful comments. So finally, we are done with this parrot drawing. Wasn't it super easy? Like I told you, you can do it within 2 to 3 minutes. It's a very beautiful parrot, the way how you to draw from two numbers, okay? 2, 2, 2, 2, and that makes you into a beautiful parrot. Now, after you have finished with this drawing, what I want you to do is color this beautiful parrots like this. Put the branch as brown color them in green color, make them eyes black, and ta-da! Your cute little parrots are ready. See, can you see? They are free birds and they like to sit on the branch. They don't want to be in the cage. Can you see they are so happy on this tree over here? That is how they should be. And you can also, when you get to see from parrots flying in the sky, won't you feel happy? Well, let them free. And now you have your own picture of parrots for you. So what I want you to do is color this drawing. I want to see how you have done this beautiful drawing along with me. So why don't you do one thing? Ask your mama and daddy to click a picture of you along with your drawing And why don't you put it on this owl page? The one which you're right now, why don't you hashtag and put it as the owl library? And I can come to know the beautiful drawings that you have made. I want to see my bachus, the beautiful ones who are here present with the for my session today. And please, I want to see your beautiful drawings as well. Thank you. Thank you, everyone. I hope I get to see your beautiful drawings with photos of my bachus who saw this story today and liked doing the activity. Thanks a lot, everybody, for joining to this session. Parents, I am very thankful to you guys that you have took out some time and attended this session for your kids and for me as well. So thanks a lot. I'm happy to see you guys here. So I just want to see the drawings as well. So it will be great if you could send me those across. Thank you. Thank you so much for being with us today. Soon we'll come up with some other sessions as well, and we will keep you posted on the same.
Thank you, Mugdha. Bye-bye. Over and out. Yes. Great, Mugdha. Ek minute. I'll just post this and stop the recording.